Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm going food shopping. Happy Vlogmas 13. It's going to be a food shopping day. I'm not going to record in here this much because the last time I went viral because I recorded. So they're probably going to tell me not to record in here. But guys, we will show you guys the end result. Stay tuned. Use the other couch.
Oh, you got me one?
Hey, chips.
The green and
Tortilla. Oh. Guys, look at this. Christmas chips, the green and red ones. I had to get these, guys, and I had to. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Are you kidding me?
I need my Apple Music on. I don't know.
I just had to get them because they're awesome. My crazy big black family, get subscribed. YouTube.